just want to show you some little experiment or modeling how the colon works. First of all, the human colon, it's about the same length as this tube, and it's maybe a little bit wider, but similar to that. And it's also muscular tube that moves, that has folds. Sometimes those folds are bigger and create a pocket, but the idea is the same, and the muscle of the colon working this way. And because it's working this way, it's move the what left of our food after all the nutrients was absorbed in the other part of digestive system. The colon moving those waste out of the body by those muscular movements. So, like I said, the colon looks about the same as this tube. Now, let's do the experiment. Let's have food. Here, I choose the food that's already been in small pieces, I would say. It's ground and mashed, so it's soft food. Simple oatmeal. Actually, healthy food. Full of fiber. And those packages expire, so I'm not wasting much here. That's create the food of soft consistency. I'm gonna turn the water so careful with the camera. So we create the liquid consistency of the food. And let's imagine that it's been already digested. First we chew it very carefully, then we swallow it, and it goes through the esophagus, goes to the stomach, and in the stomach it's being grounded even more and mashed, and nutrients being absorbed, and then it goes into small intestine where more nutrients was absorbed from that food, and finally it's getting into the colon. All that fiber, which is good for us, goes into the colon. The fiber food expands like 2-3 times of its original volume when it's mixed with water or other liquid. So that's what's going on, and that actually helps to cleanse the colon. Okay, it doesn't want to go in, which is fine. We get some hard materials. And now it's in the colon. Final absorption, and now the body wants to get rid of the stuff. It's no longer needed. So how the body do it? By those muscular movements. And as you can see, the colon is no longer clean. Some stuff is stuck between the folds. And it was not that much food, much less than we usually eat per day. But you can see the colon is not clean completely. something stuck in between. And to move it, colon need to do those muscular movements. And now we eating 3-4 times a day, snack in between, and it goes through the system. And we're doing it every day, year after year. How old are you? And how clean that tube inside your body? What do you think? Yes, of course, we do natural elimination. But after natural elimination, something's still left. And it's layers after layers after layers, and it's still stuck in between those folds and pockets. That's why we need basically clean it with clean water. And that's what we do here. That's why we have that wonderful machine. That's called Aquanet 2000. And that helps to make colon clean again. After that, after the water under pressure, there is still some particles left inside, and it's not been a long time. So imagine your colon and imagine how stuffed it might be.